Welcome to Week 12, Session 23. Today, we will strengthen body paragraphs by adding commentary. Commentary is where you explain why your evidence proves the point. A strong body paragraph usually has four moves: a paragraph claim, evidence from the text, commentary that explains the evidence, and a sentence that returns to your thesis. Evidence says what the text says. Commentary says, so what? It explains the meaning of the evidence and connects it back to the argument you are making. This model paragraph starts with a point, gives evidence, explains why the evidence matters, and then compares the argument to the other side. That is development. The commentary is the third sentence. It does the thinking for the reader by explaining what the statistic means and why it helps the argument. Commentary is not a repeat of the quote. It explains why the evidence matters, connects to the thesis, and often compares the two arguments. Thin commentary sounds like a reaction. Strong commentary explains the logic. It says why the support is specific, measurable, current, or stronger than the other text. Thinking verbs can help commentary start. Shows, suggests, proves, reveals, matters, and supports all push you to explain the relationship between evidence and claim. Pause here. This sentence is evidence because it reports information from the text. Commentary would explain why 6 years matters for the argument. Paragraphs feel weak when the thinking is missing. Do not drop a quote and move on. Explain it. Then bring the paragraph back to your thesis. Commentary answers the reader's silent question. Why does this evidence make the argument stronger? A good paragraph interprets, connects, and compares. Quick check. Commentary is your reasoning. It explains how the evidence supports the paragraph claim and why that point helps prove your thesis. Before the next video, go to your course page at www.bridgedexam.com. Read the full course material, then complete the practice questions so this skill sticks.